Hey guys, so today we're going to do a quick little what's new in the garden and how we're progressing, and I'll see you guys on the new thing that we got going on. See you there. Hey guys, so this is part of the new project that we have going on. I think we've done about 10 or 12 of these dumps, including that. And then we've just been putting them, let's get over there. We've just been putting them over here. We've talked about making a tree ring for this tree so we can give it a little bit more fertilizer and water and everything because it's still a little sad. And then we got all the wood over here that we're trying to dry out so we can have firewood, and I think he said something about like a table for that or a splitting log. I'm not sure which one it was. We'll cover that later. But yeah, we're just gonna do a little quick update on the garden, and then we're gonna show what's new. Alright, so the snapdragons are doing good so far still. I might have to move them, I'm not sure. These all right here in these big pots, these are some of the new flowers that are going into the new area, and I'll show you that in a second. We've got more Icelandic poppies, more ranunculus, and then this little pretty over here is it's a Xeon purple sun Austraparium. I don't know if you guys can see that very well.
These are all Icelandic.
And then there's two Icelandics. This one doesn't have any flowers. This is a yellow orangey one. That is a ranunculus, which might look like it's a pink one. Of course, these little pretties here. The poppies over here that I planted by seed from inside as a transplant are doing okay. These are not so great, but the cats keep sitting on them. Bachelor buttons are getting new leaves. That's awesome. Everything else is doing pretty good over here. We have more flowers for this Icelandic I had before. And of course, these are what the ranunculuses are going to look like eventually. Some of these flowers look like they might be going to seed. Some of them look like they just got new flower pods. Unfortunately, some of the lettuce doesn't look like it's going to make it. Or the peas, but I did plant more peas, so it's okay.
From the transplant.
Yeah, and those are from transplanting those from the fabric pot. My dragon and Lake 274 bush beans are doing wonderfully. Nothing yet for that. All of these squash and zucchini are doing okay. All of the red cabbages are doing great. The green cabbage looks happy. These lettuces are iffy, but the dark lettuces down here, they're doing wonderfully. They're happy now. All of these ones that we've gotten from Home Depot are doing wonderful, except for that little kale section there. They're still small, but we're working on that.
Doing better than summer winds.
Yeah, they're doing better than the Summer Winds items. See, the peppers are from Summer Winds. And yes, it's producing peppers on that one, but they look a little torn up. That snapdragon there lost most of its pretty flowers. It's getting some new buds. Lots of bees. So many bees. More lettuce here doing wonderfully. I think I'm going to let those go to head and then pluck them then. I'm not sure yet. My onions over here are getting really big and tall. Potatoes are doing okay. We have had some cold weather, so they're not liking it. This tomato plant hasn't changed. Tomatoes are still the same size, same amount. All the peppers are doing all right. A little fuss from the rain, a little bit from the cold temperatures, but otherwise they're doing okay. This tiny one down here finally got one leaf. Over here, the potato finally came back to life. That was good. And then these pretties here, no flowers yet. Got buds on my burst of joy, not on my delight yet, but they got moved because we're doing this over here. So this is going to be in total approximately 22 feet, but for right now we're stopping here. So right over here in this area, where my husband put the shovel, right there is where it's going to approximately stop. And this all area is going to be for like the vegetables and whatnot. Some of this is too, but the rest of it's going to be all flowers. So we got 5 bags of amend, 10 bags of steer manure so far. I need to mix all of that in.
5 bags of amend.
Yeah, I got 5 bags of amend on there already. And then all of these right here, all of these pretty beautiful little ranunculuses and that little Xeon and Icelandic poppies are all gonna go in there. Maybe that one, I'm not sure yet. I just needed a spot for it to be more stable.
Heavy.
Oh, and this is approximately 9 inches in all corners. And throughout the whole area, we leveled it the best we could. But we're doing better. Yeah. I need to grab 1 more bag of amend. And then when we get the chance, we're going to grab some more for over there. And then we're going to get, when they come in, we're waiting on the order. But when they come in, we're going to have this whole area done in these little scalloped edge red bricks right here. These are dusty because we've had them forever. But they're going to be about 2 feet for each one of them all the way down. And then my husband can explain that a little better.
Alright, so I had to custom order from a company called Pavestone. That company actually makes and produces these bricks. These are not very common bricks anymore. These are 24-inch bricks. They're 2 feet. So they're having an issue with their die for making these bricks, these scallop edgers. So they told me they're not sure when, but I'm going to be picking up probably 100 of them, which is a half a pallet. Pallet is 200, and I'm also going to be picking up 36-inch. No, 34-inch, I'm sorry, not 36-inch, but 34-inch corner edgers as well. So they're going to be basically these 3 humps, and then it's going to be a 90-degree corner, so it will do corners. So we can make this a lot nicer. And here's my wife back.
Alright, so yeah, just to touch up real quick on some of the project things we have. It looks like this that got broken off when we planted it is doing very well, so I think it grew some roots. And I'll show it in another video later when we do a final update on the hole over there. But the little transplant I did for this when I had a broken stem, it looks like it's growing some new leaves, so we'll give that a look as well. And then this is my Electric Sky petunia, or also known as a Midnight Sky or a Galaxy Sky petunia, depending on how you want to look it up. So I just want to thank you guys for tuning in and watching the progress that we have so far. I'll see you guys on the next video. If you guys could like, comment, subscribe, share, that'd be very appreciated. And thank you for getting this far into the video. See you guys next time. Bye.